Introduction of DPP-250E automatic blister packing machine. It is a high-tech packing machine for aluminum plastic, and paper plastic packing. It adopts PLC, frequency converter and man-machine interface with features of all-round function, ease for operation, stable running and qualified with GMP. Characteristics of DPP-250E automatic blister packing machine. Blister forming, heat sealing, batch number printing, avulsion line pressing and cutting all adopt gear mandrel orientation. Manipulator towing, adjustable travel range, which can fit for blister packing of different sizes. All the movement of heating, forming, upper and lower net vanes pressing, air cylinder pressing, feeding, batch number printing and cutting can be done very simple, automatically and accurately. Positive pressure forming matched with mechanical punch ensures well blister forming, and can be collocated with special automatic feeder to fit for certain packing such as ampoule, vial, syringe, big honey pill, medical appliance or other special shapes. Main transmission part adopts parallel axis and bevel wheel speed reducer. Forming, heat sealing and pressing molds adopt bolt orientating which leads to precise orientation, easy to change molds and material saving. Detachable design makes the machine easy to be carried and installed.